Ball, it came off a fingertip.
Come on, boys, let's.
That's good there. Never held.
Come left, Chalky. Corner.
Retreat.
Good Sam.
Okay, free kick, early lift.
Yes. Middle. Nice line. Harry deep. Come on, that's good. Yep, press. Over.
Back feet.
P1. Go. What's that? He's got the ball. He's on his own up a ball now. One ball, yes, right.
Just holding on for too long, yeah? He was on you. He was on you. No, he wasn't. No, they put you down nice and gently. Okay, thank you. Thanks for clarifying. Yeah, I'm always ready. No compete, ball's gone.
Over. Sit. Come. Box. No box. Take him. Oh, fuck Hold.
Back feet.
Follow.
Yeah, that'll do. Playing an advantage to blue. Still a knock-on advantage. Okay, no advantage coming from the knock-on. Scrum. They didn't go anywhere. Well, if you kick it away, you know you lose it. So
we've done what's going along with that scrum. So.
I was going to say this is the first scrum.
I thought we had one over there.
No.
I know he's in touch with it.
No. There's your mark. Bind. Set.
Ready, ball now. All eight. Watching left. Hold. Stop back! Come again!
That's good.
Watching 12, Benny, yeah. 10 floating round back.
Coach!
First yours!
Bind! Set!
Ready, ball now! 8! Ball, come with me, yeah! Oh, well done. Foot. Hold back foot. Guys, set, go in here.
Back foot.
Hold back foot, lads. Hold back foot. No pens, hold back foot. Ball back. Come round. Go on the 15. Let's go, shots.
Crouch!
James, you keep the seam, gents. Straight ahead.
Bind!
Ready?
Okay.
Hold off, boys.
When I hear somebody say sir, that means they're now set, doesn't it? So let's go again. I'm not in sir. Let's try that again.
Watch this, lad.
I think we need more scrums, gentlemen, to practice, eh? Crouch! Bind! Set!
Ready? Squeeze, Owen! Squeeze! Inside again!
Off a foot! Leave it now!
Stop and run! Go on, Andy! Hold! Go. Close! Run across! One more, boy! Go! That's the hold! Rocket!
Ball's available.
Land this door. Go!
Never onside. Okay, blue knock on there. Yellow was never onside. Always in front of the back foot.
Corner.
Yellow was never onside.
Yes.